To filter and to mute words and tags in Bluesky social media, first we need to click on the settings button in the app or the website. Now you can navigate to moderation. If you enter it, then the first option is muted words and tags. If you select that, then you'll be able to singly remove a specific words or a tags, and they will show on the bottom. So for example, we can remove a cat, and that way we can customize it for a duration. You can choose on how long this specific word will be muted. So we can go for 24 hours, 7 days in this case. Then we can mute it in the text and tags, which will mute both text and the tags, or you can remove tags only. You can also exclude this specific word from your follows. If you follow someone and somebody uses this specific word, then you'll be able to see their posts anyway when it's active. You can then click on add and it should be added to the list. And that is basically everything.